Hello everybody, I'm Dennis with D&JAdventuresOK. Doing a little equipment testing today of a new drone. This is a Skyrover X1. It's a cinematic camera drone, and I think it's going to really help our production quality and increase some of the shots that we were able to get. John was in Grand Junction, Colorado last week. His trip was pretty much a comedy of errors from day one. He ran into problems with wilderness areas, problems with high winds, private property, limited line of sight because of the timber line and the thick timber where he was located. All this conspired to limit his ability to shoot cinematic video, but he persevered. And so what we have today is a compilation of all the areas that he was actually able to shoot video in. So we just documented his adventure that way. Next week we'll be back in Arizona with more of the desert and the mountains and the cliff faces. So hopefully you'll be able to stop back by. Thanks for watching.